In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly book a flight using Expedia with a focus on utilizing any available flight credits you might have. Booking a flight online can sometimes seem overwhelming, but with a platform as user-friendly as Expedia, you'll find that it can be a straightforward and even enjoyable experience. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Expedia website. If you don't have an account yet, or if you're not logged in, this is a good time to do so. By logging in, you can easily manage your bookings and take advantage of any exclusive offers or travel credits that might be available to you. Once you're on the home page, look for the Flights tab at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the dedicated flight search section. Here, you can enter your travel details. Departure city, destination, and travel dates are all required to find the best flight options for you. The search results will present a variety of flight choices, and you can use filters to narrow these down according to your preferences, like departure time or preferred airlines. Now, let's say you have a flight credit that you'd like to use. The beauty of booking through Expedia is that it makes applying these credits as easy as possible. Once you've selected your desired flight, proceed to the checkout page. This part is crucial because it's where you can clearly see your flight credit balance displayed. Expedia will typically provide prompts or options to apply your available credits directly to your booking, reducing the overall cost of your ticket. As you complete the checkout process, carefully review the fare breakdown to ensure your credits have been applied correctly. Also, make sure all passenger details and payment information are accurate. Take a moment to double-check that everything aligns with what you selected. This final step helps avoid any last-minute booking errors. It's important to remember that flight credits often have expiration dates or specific conditions under which they can be used, so be sure to check these details in advance. If you're unsure about any aspect, Expedia's customer support is always a helpful resource to clarify and resolve any issues you might encounter. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully booked your flight using Expedia, applying any relevant credits you might have to make your journey even more economical. It's all about navigating through each step with a bit of patience and careful attention to detail. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made the process easier and more accessible for your future travels. If you found this helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels!